a great choice today with the 2005 Hummer H2. Hummer H2 performance optimizing engine technologies such as variable valve timing and the 6 speeds wide gear ratios, including an all overdrive gear, enable the performance. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, running boards, OnStar, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, traction control, leather wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, climate control, premium sound, clock, power windows, CD player, power door locks, center console, dual zone climate control, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.